Hey, what's going on everybody? In my previous video I have shown you guys about toString method. toString method is basically if you refer an object in a system.out statement, it's gonna go to toString method by default. Here we are going to see the same thing but little bit extension, like this one called composition. Here what we are going to do is we keep the same, like if you watch my last video, I created this cup class and I typed all these things, and then I have this boy class and I had these things. Now I go to another class called apples, and in this class I'm gonna create a variable called name and also birthday, and we are going to print out the name of the person and the birthday of that person. Okay, now for birthday what I'm going to do is I'm going to pass the birthday as an object to toString from this class to the other class. That's what we call composition. Now let's go and do that. Here I create the name, create some private variables, private string name. String name in it automatically, like string is easy. Now for birthday we are going to pass it as an object. To do that I do private and then I put cup, that's my other class, and I put birthday. Okay, now this is going to pass it as an object. Now we are going to type a method called public apples. Inside of this one I give the argument string, the name, and then cup, the date. Okay, now inside of this curly bracket I'm going to type something like name is equal to the name, and then birthday is equal to the date. Okay, now the next thing is we are gonna create another method called string method, public string toString, and inside of this one I'm going to type return string dot format and then here I'm going to type my name is %s, that's a string, and then my birthday is %s. Okay, close the quote mark, and then we are going to refer the name and then birthday. Okay, now name is easy because that's %s, and refer to string, it's gonna print out whatever the string we put. But for birthday, this is an object because this private cup birthday, here we refer this one as an object. So what is it gonna do is it's gonna look the birthday, and it's an object, so it's gonna automatically go to this one here, toString, and it's gonna print it in this format, %d, month, day, year. Now to see that I go to this class again. Okay, I close this one with a semicolon, and then I go to the boy class. In this one I have created the object for this cup class we created, and I have to create an object for apples class as well. So apples object is equal to new apples, and here I put the string, like for name we can put whatever the string. I put my name Taliban, and then here I call the cup object, and now we want to see whatever we typed, like we want to print on the screen. So system.out println apples object, and that's it. Now you are already seeing a message here. The constructor for this is 456. This is we created from the last tutorial. In my last tutorial I have shown you guys how to do this. Here we are doing one more step, that print out our name and the birthday. For birthday we use the object. For name we directly set string name, so it's gonna just print out whatever the name we put right here. But for birthday we didn't put like that, we just created as an object. So when it's an object, what does it do is it's automatically go to the toString, look for toString, and that is this here in the other class. And in this one we have the date format, like %d, 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 that's the date format. And the only date we gave is 456, so it's gonna print out the same date for the birthday as well. Now let's go ahead and run this one. Now you can see my name is Tiliban and my birthday is 456, and that's what we wanted to happen. And this is called composition. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys on my next tutorial.